Look at my reward after a hard day's work. Good morning, my beautiful people. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Everything is going to be A-OK. And we really don't have to worry about anything. We're not in control of anything here. So let's just be happy and do what we can do what we're ordained to do, and we'll be okay. I'm seeing a problem over there. Looks like some deer have jumped my fence, and their little paw prints are everywhere. I saw them in the yard yesterday, and look, their little paw prints have torn. They've gotten stuck in this stuff. And up here, look, they got so stuck they had to tear it to get out. Good for them. Maybe that'll keep them out of here. And over here, see? Yeah, they came right through there. Uh-huh. Yep, they came right through there. But that's okay. Good for them. They got stuck, so maybe they won't come on this stuff anymore. They didn't go any further, so I'm sure that deterred them from coming any further once they got stuck there. So I'm thinking now, ooh, do I want to cover this or do I want to just leave it? Because if it's going to get them like that, I can put some more down over there. Just leave that like that and let them get stuck again. Yeah, because you know their nails are very long. So when they walk on, they can't walk on this stuff. So this might be a good deterrent for the deer. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. I'm sorry, Mr. H. I am so sorry. I didn't mean to steal your word. I say yes, yes, yes too sometime, but I know you were on YouTube first saying it, so I'm not gonna try to steal your word. Now I gotta get my coffee. I just woke up and it's early. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Um, okay. Let's see what we're gonna do here. I did sow some seeds over here. They're not really coming up, but there's some soil in here that I don't like. I don't like that soil that man gave me because it have a lot of weed seeds in it. And I'm having to weed this stuff. I don't normally have problems with weeding um my raised beds, but and I sifted this. You guys saw me sift it. So he gave me some bad soil, but it has a lot of weeds in it. But you know what? I think I'm gonna sow my brassicas anyway. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sow them in there anyway. And over here, I was gonna try corn again, but I don't think it's going to happen because it's July, August, September. Corn need a good 90 days to harvest. We don't have enough time, so I don't think that's gonna work. What is that? I don't know what that is over there that I sowed. Any rate, let me get to watering this garden. I sowed some carrots. I sowed some carrots, and I only see 3 of them coming up. So I don't know if the rest of them are gonna come later. Did I show that to you? See the 3. Those 3 are coming up, but I'm not sure if the rest of them are gonna come. Guys, I have not watered my garden in about 2 or 3 days. Because the meter said that it did need watering. We got so much water. This squash did not make it because this plant was just gone. So so naturally I cut it back. And this is the cucumber plant. I think she's still trying to give, but I think she's done for. So I think this bed, we can do something else in it. Maybe some beans. Yeah, let's do some green beans in this bed. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some more manure in here. And then we're going to plant some green beans in here. So that's what we're going to do. I'll bring you back when I get set up and ready to plant. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm back. I planted some beans over there by that trellis a few minutes ago. I planted these. So now I'm getting ready to label them. And I was playing my music, and my music didn't want to play. So the devil's busy this morning. He doesn't want me to be in my zone, but he's not going to steal my joy. I can still do what I need to do. So we have stringless green pods, green beans. Stringless. I love the stringless kind. You don't have to pick the strings out of it. And it's July 2024. How many days to germination? Ooh, I didn't plant them that deep. Seed spacing. Okay, we got that right. 2 to 3 inches. Spacing between rows. Days to germination, 8 to 16. So if that's 8 to 16 days, today is the 23rd. Pluto. 6, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So by August 9th, they should be germinated. So by 8, 9, germinated. Okay, I need to go get my book and write that in my book as well. And that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I got my book, and I wrote in there the stringless green beans, 8 to 16 days to germination. That's gonna put us right at August 9th for these to be germinated. Days to maturity, 50 to 65. Days to harvest, 50 to 65. So then I'm going to calculate the days and put on on my board when they should be harvested. I'm trying to be a little bit more organized because being in school and working a full-time job, it is very difficult to remember all this stuff. So I'm trying to be organized with it. So, okay, let's see. We got those planted over there. I'm getting ready to clean this bed out and put some more soil in it and try to get it together. Move this seaweed, this lemongrass, which I got for somebody else and they never picked up. I won't do that anymore. And you know, the sad truth about it is that I even called the person and told them that I had bought it and asked them to come pick it up. I was leaving town. They never picked it up. So that's not the first time that that's happened to me. Let me put my mic on so you guys can hear me. Okay, you should be able to hear me better now. That's not the first time I've bought something for someone or grew it myself from seed, and after it was up and ready for them, they never picked it up. But that's okay. I'll keep doing what the good Lord instructs my heart to do. Maybe not for that person again, but somebody. There are people that follow through and appreciate your efforts, and some don't. That's what makes us unique. We're all different. So You can't stop being kind because of one or two people in the world. I'm just going to cut this out, guys. I'm not going to struggle with it because I don't want this stuff all over my arms. It is heavily diseased with, let me show you what the problem is. Let me show you. These things are multiplying by the droves. And I just finished spraying a plant over there for them. And guess what? They got to go. I got something for them. They got to go. I need to get my bag and just put them in my bag as I go. These are so diseased, I don't even know if I want to put them in my compost. Just spreading disease. Roll this bag down. Roll it open. And move you guys back some so you can see what's going on. Turn my lemon tree loose. And you know, this is the part that a lot of gardeners don't like, the cleanup. And a lot of them don't even realize, some new gardeners who's just starting don't realize that this is a thing. But you have to clean up your plants. You have to clean up your garden before you get ready to replant. Now, I've got to condition this bed before I plant anything else in it, because if I don't, the disease on this plant will spread to whatever I put in here. So this bed will be conditioned. It'll be fertilized. I'll put some neem oil in the soil, a little bit of Dawn detergent, and wait a few days before I plant in it. This drip is coming out of here because I'm not using my drip system right now because it wasn't really working for me. I need a different type. It was costing me money, but my plants were not getting enough water, and it was costing too much money. Okay, guys, my mic quit on me here. So what I'm doing is getting some manure and I'm breaking it up, um, because you get, and I'm looking for rocks and hooves, shavings from the horse's hooves, um, and just trying to make sure that the soil is good and loose. I'm showing you here how when you squeeze the soil, it's not clunking together. That's how you can tell if it's composted very good. If you squeeze it and it stays in a lump, it doesn't fall apart when you open your hand, then that soil needs to compost more. But if it falls apart, then you've got some good soil, and this is some good compost here, because it's been sitting for years at the King's Ranch. Um, Also, I'm showing you some clay when I come over, showing you that there's clay in there, and that comes from when the horses are when the guys are riding the horses and they get clay in their hooves. When you're putting your horse up after you've ridden, it's customary to clean the hooves of the horse, and you do that either in your stall or in a wash bay or whatever. But you will find some of those things in the compost when you pick up compost from a ranch like this. Okay, so here I am spraying the soil with the fishy motion, and getting ready to condition it really well. And I'm just going to let it sit like that for a couple of days. Okay, so I hope you're enjoying the video. Okay guys, I'm about to wrap it up now. I'm spraying the plants right there, and then I'm going to wrap it up and go inside because the sun has come out and it's getting hot. See you later. Please subscribe. Bye.